run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive?
Together with the new front fascia, which has the name Integra embossed under the headlight, harking back to previous generations, you'll notice our jewel eye LED headlights. Now, what's different from some of the other models is you'll notice the DRL chicane design is actually above the headlights, and it gives it a very sinister look. Now, let's take a look around the side and we'll point out some of the highlights of this new Integra A-Spec. I think first you'll see are the 18-inch wheel designs in our signature shark gray paint, a very aggressive wheel and tire package, and because it's A-Spec, you're going to notice some of these sporty cues like the badging, the dark accents over the window molding, and as we make our way to the rear, one of my favorite pieces, our signature rear deck lid spoiler. Now, along the front of the vehicle, we talked about some of the character lines and surfacing. That continues on the side of the Integra as well. You'll notice this really nice character line that starts and follows itself through the handles all the way to the rear, the C-pillar. It gives it a very sophisticated and premium design. Now, we'll make our way to the rear and we'll talk about some of the amazing, unique elements we've added. Here at the rear of the Acura Integra might be my favorite view. And it's easy to see why with this really aggressive rear diffuser, flanked by dual exhaust outlets. It just really shows that Integra is a true sport compact. And just like the original, this is a 5-door liftback design. And you'll just see some new modern design cues added to that. It takes you to these large single-piece LED tail lights with our chicane design. Again, having the Integra name embossed under the passenger side LED tail light. And having this unique Acura badging filled in with gloss black accents and this aggressive rear black spoiler. But you can really turn it up with Integra with our special genuine Acura accessories. You can even have a carbon fiber spoiler and an upgraded rear diffuser. But next, let's go inside and I'll talk about all the new technology and features on this vehicle. I'm here sitting inside of the new Acura Integra with the A-Spec and technology packages. What does that give you? It gives you a host of technologies and features. Now, of course, a lot of this is standard, things like the Acura Precision Cockpit, which is a 10.2-inch digital customizable meter display. But with this top trim, you get everything. You get things like an available heads-up display, a 9-inch color touchscreen display, and that has wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, which is great because you've got your wireless charging pad here, so you lay your phone down and you're connected and ready to go. Other things that stand out to me are the seats themselves, right? These are lumbar adjustability on the driver's side. As I look at the ambient lighting, it points me down to the speaker grill for this ELS Studio 3D audio system that has 16 speakers, including right above your head here in the roof lining and a subwoofer in the trunk. With all that said, it is a driver's card, so you get dynamic modes like comfort, normal, sport, even the ability with the individual mode to customize all of the dynamic settings to your personal liking. And with all this amazing features and technologies, you can actually get it with an available 6-speed manual transmission. So you can enjoy driving and have all of your tech and features connected with you as well. So let's talk powertrain. This new Acura Integra is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, and that's a first for the Integra. It's 200 horsepower and 192 foot-pounds of torque, and it's over a broad curve starting at 1,800 going all the way to 5,000. Now, that's made it to either an automatic or an available 6-speed manual transmission with limited slip differential. And it all is tied to an amazing rigid chassis, which gives you available 3-stage adaptive damping system.
Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.